Ever tried to send money to a friend with Zelle, only to wonder if your bank even offers it? It's a common question, and getting a clear answer is simpler than you might think. Many people assume they need to download a separate app, but for most, Zelle is already built right into their bank's mobile app. Knowing this can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, let's break down exactly how you can check if your bank supports Zelle. Check your bank's mobile app. The easiest way to confirm if your bank offers Zelle is to open your bank's official mobile app. Once you're logged in, navigate through the menu. Look for options like Payments, Transfers, or Send Money. If you see a Zelle logo or Send Money with Zelle option, you're good to go. It's that simple. Search your bank's website. If you're more of a desktop person, or you can't find it in the app, head to your bank's website. Use the search bar on the site to look for Zelle. Most banks that partner with Zelle have dedicated pages explaining how the service works, any eligibility requirements, and how to enroll. This is a great way to get all the details and confirm your account type is eligible. Go to the official Zelle website. Still not sure? The official Zelle website has a very useful tool. Just visit zellepay.com and look for their Find Your Bank or Participating Financial Institutions section. You can use their search bar or browse the list of banks and credit unions that are part of the Zelle network. This is the ultimate way to verify if your bank is one of the more than 2,200 financial institutions that support the service. What if your bank isn't supported? Don't worry. If your bank isn't on the list, you can still use Zelle. You'll just need to download the standalone Zelle app from your app store. When you sign up, you'll link it to your U.S. bank account and a Visa or MasterCard debit card. Just be aware that if you're not using it through a participating bank, you might have different transaction limits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.